Ever experienced brain fog and wondered how to get rid of it? Picture this. You're constantly feeling groggy, forgetful, or even struggling to put your thoughts into words. That's what we call brain fog. It's a bit of a nuisance, right? And the causes can be quite diverse, from hormonal shifts, certain medications and medical conditions, to viruses, infections, chronic stress, and even a lack of sleep. Not to mention, a deficiency in good old vitamin B12 can be a culprit too, but don't fret. Stick around to learn how to combat brain fog effectively. Now let's discuss the importance of diet in managing brain fog. Food acts as a fuel, not merely for our bodies, but our minds as well. Hence, when the goal is to lift the cognitive mist we term as brain fog, several dietary adjustments may bring a significant change. Initially, let's discuss omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients present in foods such as salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds function like the oil in your vehicle's engine. They assist your brain to operate smoothly, enhancing your memory and mood, reducing inflammation, and even encouraging the growth of new brain cells. Next line are flavonoids. These potent antioxidants found in a variety of fruits and vegetables, tea, and even dark chocolate provide protection to your brain from damage caused by free radicals. This can result in sharper thinking and improved recall. Now let's turn the spotlight towards dark leafy greens, avocados, and foods rich in choline. These nutrient powerhouses are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall brain health. Dark leafy greens, for instance, are abundant in brain-boosting vitamins like A, C, and K. Avocados, on the other side, are filled with monounsaturated fats, which aid in keeping your brain cell membranes flexible. And choline, found in foods such as eggs and beef liver, is a crucial nutrient that your brain requires to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays an essential role in memory and focus. Incorporation of these foods into your diet could significantly alleviate symptoms of brain fog, aiding you to think clearer and sharper. Hence, consider your plate a palette and paint a vibrant picture of brain health with these. Bear in mind, your diet plays a crucial role in the efficient functioning of your brain. But it's not just about what you eat. Your lifestyle matters too. You see, exercise and sleep are two crucial factors in managing brain fog. Let's talk about exercise first. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to your brain, delivering much-needed oxygen and nutrients. This is like giving your brain a rejuvenating spa treatment, helping to clear out any fog that may be lingering. And it's not just about hardcore gym sessions. Even a brisk walk in the park or a quick dance around your living room can do wonders for your mental clarity. Now let's move on to sleep. If exercise is a spa treatment for your brain, think of sleep as the ultimate repair and maintenance session. During sleep, your brain works on consolidating memories, repairing cells, and removing toxins. When you don't get enough quality sleep, your brain can't perform these essential tasks. The result? You wake up feeling groggy and foggy-headed, like you're trying to think through a dense fog. So, to manage brain fog effectively, it's essential to incorporate regular exercise into your routine and ensure you're getting enough quality sleep. And remember, it's not just about ticking boxes. It's about making sustainable changes that fit into your life. You might start by going to bed half an hour earlier or taking a short walk after dinner. And here's the cherry on top. When you combine these lifestyle changes with a healthy diet, rich in brain-boosting foods, you create a powerful defense against brain fog. You're not just managing symptoms, you're actively promoting brain health. It's all about creating a healthy balance in your life. So, to wrap things up, we've journeyed through the complex world of brain fog, exploring its potential causes and the effective strategies we can employ to combat it. We've learned that brain fog can be triggered by a myriad of sources, from hormonal changes, certain medications and medical conditions, to chronic stress, lack of sleep, and even vitamin B12 deficiency. We've also underscored the significant role diet plays in managing and potentially alleviating these symptoms. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, flavonoids, dark leafy greens, avocados, and those high in choline are not just brain food, but a potential lifeline for those grappling with brain fog. But it doesn't stop at diet. The importance of a healthy lifestyle cannot be overstated. Regular exercise and sufficient sleep are paramount in keeping brain fog bay. Now you might be wondering, how long until I experience relief? While the time frame for recovery can vary from person to person based on individual health and lifestyle factors, incorporating these changes into your daily routine can pave the way for improvement within a few weeks. The key here is consistency. By maintaining a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, you can not only manage the symptoms but also prevent future occurrences of brain fog. And remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about our bodies and the impact of our choices, the better we can navigate and prevent health challenges like brain fog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Keep your mind clear and your body healthy. See you in the next video.